Great alliances are built on the basis of honesty and mutual willingness to meet the goal, and hence they go a long way. Global Colliance, with its high standard of servicing excellence and transparency of work ethic, is here to build a long-term association with you. Global Colliance is most trusted name in study abroad services and consultation, with a history of having counseled more than 15,000 students for foreign education. We have a team of dedicated professional counselors who are divided by their specialization for a specific country and united by their interest in guiding the students with the most relevant path for them. In today's time, there's a host of career options available for a student worldwide as per their choice of interest. And hence, Global Colliance has an expert team dedicated for all the prominent nations worldwide, including Canada, UK, New Zealand, USA, Australia and Germany. Global Colliance does realize the significance of being the bridge connecting a bunch of students from one educational institute to another. And hence, we also understand the importance of connecting them with nothing but only the best and the most trusted ones. Harvard University, Virginia Tech University, TU Delft, TU Berlin, University of Toronto, McGill University, University of British Columbia, London School of Economics, Bath University, University of Leicester, University of Sydney, University of Melbourne, Auckland University and many more are a few renowned names from a pool of them where we have been getting our students placed. To give a small statistical testimony, let us share with you that in the past 12 years, Global Colliance has placed over 10,000 students worldwide. For the matter of fact, in the past 12 years, Global Colliance has counselled about 5,000 plus students for Canada, 2,000 plus for UK, 1,000 plus for USA, 1,000 plus for Australia, 1,000 plus for New Zealand and 200 plus for Germany and many more globally. A line for affiliation with global certificates and recognitions to build a trust. Well, it is not just the trust of global universities that we have earned, but we are also overwhelmed with the amount of trust the prestigious universities from our homeland India have put in us. Let's collaborate for nourishing and elevating the career of the young India. Global Colliance. First, fast, fantastic. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter.